Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. In this video, I'm gonna share with you this magic spray for your hair. Sidr leaves is one of the leaves known as the lot leaves. And this plant has many benefits and uses. It contains many different and varied minerals and vitamins, which are useful in treating many diseases, and this plant was mentioned in Chinese medicine previously. Cedar leaves are used to promote hair growth and increase its density. It activates the work of hair follicles thanks to its natural properties that help to increase hair density. Gives hair a natural shine, strengthens hair roots, and reduces hair loss, promoting thicker hair growth. Makes the hair look thicker and more vibrant. It provides extra protection from the sun and everyday influences. It works to eliminate dandruff, which is one of the causes of hair loss. Cedar leaves are used as an effective alternative to expensive dry shampoos. Well, all we need here is about 4 tablespoons of dry cedar leaves, and 1 cup of boiling water. Cedar leaves are soaked in hot water overnight in a glass bowl after covering the bowl. The next day, drain the water from the leaves and add castor oil or some drops of almond oil and store them in a bottle with a spray cap. Sprinkle it on the scalp and hair and leave it on the hair until it dries. Then rinse with warm water. You can keep it in the refrigerator for 1 week. Use it 3 times a week. For example, you can use it Saturday and Monday and Thursday. Just try it and the result just wow. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.